Hi guys, my name is Laura. Right now I work as a substitute in a behavioral school that has kids with anxiety, depression, a lot of things in their past that are showing up. Um, I really never wanted to work with kids, but the more I work with them, the more eye-opening it is. And I really want to learn to identify and help them out with what they're feeling and how to get them to express themselves more. Um, it's a hard path to see them walk down, and I don't really participate with them in getting like a diagnosis or things like that. But I used to work at Blue Cross Blue Shield, and that's one thing that I looked at to pay claims and things like that. So that is, I think that's the start of me wanting to learn more about mental health illness. Um, it's fascinating to see what happens with our minds. It's unbelievable what a kid can do to remove themselves from the trauma they're facing. So to me, this is something that I'm very interested in, and I'm hoping that we can learn a lot together. And this is kind of an exciting class for me, so I'm hoping that we'll learn a lot of good things, and we can tackle all the people that we encounter every single day. So thanks, and thanks for watching.